Hi everyone, welcome back. And the previous video we learned how to play the four chords, which is the A, okay, the A, the F sharp minor, the D, and the E. Okay, so that's the four chords that we learned in the previous video for the song Stand By Me. Now I strongly suggest that you watch this video from start to the end so that you will learn another set of chords for a certain song, which is titled High, and it was sung by Speak. Okay, so the first chord that we're going to play is the C major. Okay, so the C major is the first finger will be on the second string, first fret. The second finger will be on the second fret, fourth string, and the third finger will be on the sixth string, third fret, and the fourth finger will be on the third fret, fifth string. Okay, so that is major C. Okay, but there's another type of chord, type of C, okay, which is the bar chord C, and it looks like this. So your first finger will be the bar that will you will put on the third fret, okay, across the whole string, the whole sixth string, and then the second, third, and fourth finger will be on the fifth fret, and the second will be on the fourth, the third will be on the third string, and the fourth finger will be on the second string. Okay, so that is the C major for a bar chord, C major. Okay, so either of the two you can use it, okay, which is more comfortable to you and more faster to play. Okay, and then we have the G. For the G, the bar chord for the G, it will be remain in the first finger will be on the third fret across the sixth string, and then the second finger will be on the third string, second fret, and then the third and fourth finger will be on the first finger will be on the third fret, okay, third fret, and it will be across the whole string. The second finger will be on the third string on the fourth fret, and the third finger will be on the fifth string, and the fourth finger will be on the fourth string on the fifth fret. Okay, so that's how it will look like. Okay, so that's G major. Okay, but there's another style of G major. Okay, so this is how it will look like. Okay, so the first finger will be on the 2nd fret, 5th string, and then the second finger will be on the 6th string, 3rd fret, and the third finger will be on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Okay, so first finger, 5th string, 2nd fret. Second finger will be on the 6th string, 3rd fret, and then the third finger will be on the 1st string, 3rd fret. So that's also G major. Okay, so the first one that I show you is the G major bar chord. Okay, but this one is another type of G major. Okay, so you can use either of the two. Okay, which is more comfortable and more faster to use. It's up to you. Okay, and then the next chord will be A major, A minor, I mean. Okay, so the first finger will be on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Okay, second string, 1st fret. 3rd and 4th will be on the 2nd fret. The 3rd will be on the 4th string, and the 3rd finger will be on the 3rd string. Okay, so that is A minor. Okay, so that is A minor. Okay, and then so the G is here, right? So that's the G. Now if you slide it one whole note, which is on the first fret, okay, so you will have, or you will produce the F major chord for bar chord. Okay, of course there's another F major style of fingering, but it's quite complicated, so I'll just teach you the bar chord, which is more easier to use. Okay, so that's the F major. Okay, so once again we have the C, okay, on the 3rd fret, and then we have the G also on the 3rd fret, starting on the 3rd fret, and then we have the A minor on the 1st fret and 2nd fret, and then we have the F major, okay, which we slide it back to the 1st fret. Okay, so by the way, if you notice, I mentioned that when you slide the G, slide it on the 1st fret, it will be a whole note, because each fret has a half note. Okay, it has a half note. By the way, also remember this, that if you're, for example, you will see that there's a F major, F sharp major, so it will be on the 2nd fret. Okay, you just slide it on the 2nd fret. It can be also called as the G flat major. Okay, so F sharp major and G flat major is the same. Okay, same fingering. Okay, it's the same. Okay, because if you're from the F major and you slide it one fret going up, okay, going up, because the from 1st fret going down, going up, it will be a higher tone, that's why it's going up. But if you slide it going to the left, it will be going down note. Okay, so if you have F, then you slide it on the second fret, it will be F sharp major. Or it could be also, if you're coming from G major and you slide it from right to left half note, it will become G flat major. Okay, now let's how to string the song. I mean how to strum. Sorry about that. Okay, so it's just one down, up, down, down. So one down, one up, two down. So that's how you strum it. Okay, so sample. Sorry, that would be one down, one up, three down. Okay, so that's how you strum the song. So let's try to play it. Okay, so let's start with the C. Just close your eyes and when it's through, it's fade away. Time won't flow, everyone knows, and the pains fade away. Dream won't die, the tears in my eyes. You gotta hold your head up high. Hold your head up high. It takes some time. Giving up will change the state of mind. It's not so hard to see that I'm just a man. Time won't flow, everyone knows, when the things fade away. Dream won't die, the tears in my eyes. You gotta hold your head up high. Yeah. Hold your head up high. Find the sweet serenity. Trying to understand. It's not too hard to see that I'm just a man. Time won't flow, everyone So that's the song High by Spick, and we'll learn the chord C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button down below, and also the notification bell, so that when there's a new video you will be the first one to be notified. Okay, so please also share this video for those who wants to learn how to play guitar. And until then, love and peace to the universe and back.